Even the highest quality fastener can't do its job unless properly installed. Fasteners provide the clamping force that holds components together. A fastener is much like a spring, as it must be stretched in order to have rebounding tension. The amount of stretch determines the clamping force of the fastener. For example, a 3/8 inch diameter 8740 rod bolt will exert about 10,000 pounds of clamping force when stretched 6/1000ths of an inch. This is the most accurate way to determine fastener preload. A fastener's size, material, and tensile strength will determine clamping force potential. Since most automotive fasteners are in blind holes, a torque wrench is most often used to achieve the proper preload. Sometimes there is a mix-up in terminology. Foot-pounds is the amount of torque applied to a fastener, and pound-feet is the amount of torque measured on a dynamometer. Torque wrenches are delicate instruments and should be checked for accuracy often. Never use a torque wrench for a breaker bar to loosen a fastener. ARP has tested torque wrenches at events for many years and often found inaccuracies of 35% or more. Prior to installing a fastener, the threads in the block or other receptor should be cleaned and free of debris. ARP has special chaser taps that clean holes with minimal removal of material. The fastener itself should be cleaned prior to applying a lubricant. Always follow current instructions, as materials and specifications can change at any time. ARP maintains a complete library of instruction sheets on its website. Properly lubricating fasteners is essential to assure accurate fastener preload. Never put lubricant on the underside of a washer unless so specified in instructions. ARP has spent many years developing a lubricant that facilitates getting 95 to 100% of the desired preload every time. ARP Ultra Torque lubricant has been laboratory tested to be more consistent in applying preload than oil, moly, or other substances. It helps prevent preload scatter, where adjacent fasteners have unequal preloads. This is critical when installing cylinder heads, as uneven preloading can cause bore distortion and affect piston ring sealing. ARP recommends achieving the desired torque in 3 equal steps. For example, if 60 foot-pounds of torque is called for, start out at 20, advance to 40 foot-pounds, and finally 60. Proper fastener installation is a key to building powerful engines with long-term dependability.